What's up, YouTube? It's Paul, y'all. And we're going to take a look at this new Hyper Tough mini toolbox. It does have a slightly different looking lid than the others, but it's not drastically different. Let's open it up and take a look. Make this simple on myself. Alright, right off the bat, you notice that it does have a different type of top, kind of like some larger toolboxes. It does appear to be powder coated, which is nice. Comes in white and black only so far. I'm sure they'll add more colors later. The drawers don't open as nice as the US General version, but they do alright. They you do use ball bearings, so but this lid stays open on its own, different from the Cobalt version. But the that little liner doesn't appear to want to stay down. They all have a liner in them. You may have to glue that thing down or something. But yeah, it has kind of a cavity on each end because of how it's set up, and doesn't appear to be any branding on this whatsoever, which is weird. I guess Walmart doesn't want to claim it. I don't know. That's the hinge. Oh, there's some branding on the very back. That's a weird place to put that. Yeah, so nobody will ever know it's a Hyper Tough unless you show them the back. But yeah, so powder coated, available in white and black. Ball bearing drawers, comparable in size to the others, just has a different type of lid. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think.